my Volvo XC60. Now I've had the head off to do the head gasket and to do the timing on this. I had to buy a locking kit. So the locking kit goes on the crankshaft and the camshaft, or camshafts. So what I've done is pulled the starter out. There is 2 bolts in there, which are 13mm AF. So I don't know if you can see down there, if the light's very good. You can see the pin that's in there. So there it is. Also this, so when you pull the starter motor out, you've got that behind it, which is a T50. So a T50 there. And then what I did was I set the left-hand piston to top dead center before I put the head on. So that I don't have to pull this auxiliary pulley off, and see the timing marks on it. Set it to top dead center. And then I just adjusted it with my bar for the moment. So when I put the pin in, I made sure it was locked in. So that's that pin there. And then you've got another pin here, which goes into the camshafts. So there is, if you've had the camshafts out, you'll see that both of them have got 2 little holes in. Don't know if you can pretty much see that or not. But you know, make sure that that's in line too there. And what you've got on them both, so exhaust cam at the back, inlet cam front, and you've got 2 dots on the exhaust cam and 1 dot on the inlet cam. So the 1 dot obviously goes in between the 2 teeth on the exhaust cam. Don't know if you see that or not. Yeah. But I'll try and get some better pictures of it. And there's, you've got the sensor pulley there, water pump idler, and cranks up at the bottom on the top. And that's pretty much it. You've got to pull the pump off as well, your vacuum pump, which is, let's have a look, 3, again 13mm, yeah. So 1, 2, and then there's 1 just around the back there to get that in. You are better off pulling the cam cover off as well, which means injectors out. If you just kind of do timing belt, just slightly with me, covered ever since lined up. And you know, putting it in, you might struggle. That's pretty much it. It's been pretty simple. Just to get it all together now, and you give it a start. There was the head gasket. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget subscribe and give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks very much. Alright. It's going down. It's going down.